In this video, we are going to paint this beautiful landscape, and the sketch needed for it is shown here. I have cut the masking tape in a small circle shape, which is now I'm sticking on the paper. This is going to be the sun in our painting. Now I'm wetting the sky part of the paper. For this sky, I am using cobalt blue followed by crimson lake, which is followed by violet. I try to blend them evenly so that to create a beautiful gradient sky. To avoid the formation of cauliflower effect, I remove all the excess water using a damp brush. Next, we are going to paint the distant bushes and trees. For that, I'm using gamboge yellow mixed with sap green and brown. So this gives a dark green which is suitable for the sunset scenery. Next, we are wetting the lower part of the paper except the water flowing area, because we are going to paint the reflection of the sky over the stream. Next, I am using the same color mix that is used to paint the distant bushes and trees, that is the same mixture of gamboge yellow, sap green and brown to paint the pasture. White area that I have left at the middle of the paper is going to be a water body. Maybe it is a pond or it may be a lake. So anything it may be, it is going to show the reflection of sunlight over the water. The area where the land meets with water is going to be extra dark because of the mud, which is wet mud. So I'm using more brown to that gamboge and sap green mix to form a darker pigment um, in those areas. Using the same pigment, I'm adding some strokes here and there to form a realistic land effect. Using the same mix, that is the sap green, gamboge yellow with a lot of brown, I'm painting the trees, leaving some white areas to show the tree trunk. If you forgot to leave that white area, it's okay. When the paper is still wet, you can use an old scale or old credit card to just lift the color in that area to show the trunk of the tree. The sky part is totally dry, so it is safe to lift the masking tape from that area and paint that area using gamboge yellow with a little orange to show the evening sunset. Using the same gamboge yellow with orange, I paint the distant water body to show the reflection of the sunlight. Next, I'm wetting the stream area. I'm using the same color which is used to paint the sky, and also we are going to paint the reflection of the sun on the stream. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more watercolor painting videos. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye.